friends, today our topic is process in concreting. So basically what is a concrete? Concrete is simply a mixture of cement, aggregate and water. In that aggregate there are two types of aggregate, coarse aggregate and fine aggregate. The example of coarse aggregate is stone and the fine aggregate is sand, that is river sand or M sand. Steps in making concrete. For making concrete, we have to follow some steps. There are 6 steps involved. First step is batching, second is mixing, third is transporting, fourth is placing, fifth is compacting, and sixth is curing. Batching. The measurement of materials for making concrete is known as batching. Methods of batching: weight batching and volume batching. Okay, if we take measurements of material on the basis of their weight, then it is known as weight batching. On the other hand, if we take measurements on the basis of their volume, then it is known as volume batching. When we compare weight batching and volume batching, the weight batching is more accurate than volume batching. That's why in most of the construction, big construction, we always prefer weight batching. Mixing. First, cement, sand and coarse aggregate are dry mixed. After uniform dry mix is obtained, water is gradually added and wet mix is obtained. Types of mixing: hand mixing and machine mixing. Transporting. After mixing, the concrete should be transported to its final position of placing. For small works, it is transported in iron packs. For large works, pipes with pumps are employed for transporting concrete. Placing. After transporting, the concrete is laid on the formwork, and the formwork on which the concrete is placed should be clean and properly oiled. If the concrete is placed on the ground, the soil bed should be compacted well and made free from loose soil. Concrete should be placed in its final position as close as possible. Okay, if it is dropped from a height of 1.5 meter or above, then there is a chance that coarse aggregate can segregate. Compacting. In the process of placing concrete, air is trapped. The entrapped air reduces the strength of concrete up to 30%. Okay, hence it is very necessary to remove the entrapped air. This is achieved by compacting the concrete either by hand or using vibrators. As we know, there are two types of compacting methods, that is hand compacting and using vibrators. In hand compacting, the concrete is compacted by thumping or by ramping. In this a pointed steel rod of 16 mm diameter and length 1 to 1.5 meter is used for compaction. Compaction using vibrators. High frequency vibrators are used to compact. Okay, it reduces friction between the particles and set them in motion. As a result of that, the entrapped air is removed and concrete gets compacted. Vibrators are stopped as soon as cement paste is seen on the surface of concrete. Excess vibration results into segregation and hence reduce its strength. Curing. Curing is a process of maintaining satisfactory moisture and temperature on freshly laid concrete for a specific time. Curing is most important in the early stages. It should be done very well in the first 14 days and should be continued for further 14 days. That is, a total of 28 days is required for curing. If curing is not proper, cracks develop due to surface shrinkage. The strength and durability also decreases. Methods of curing. The walls and columns are cured by spraying water at regular intervals, covering surface with gunny bags. Gunny bags are basically jute bags. Using curing compounds. That is, curing compound is the compound which helps to prevent the loss of moisture content from the concrete. Synthetic resin and wax concrete are some examples of curing compounds. And curing compound is generally used when the availability of water is very less. Next, fourth method is pounding, and fifth method is steam curing. These are some pics of curing. First one is pounding. Second is spraying water on beams and columns, and it is covered with jute bags. After that, water is sprayed. Thank you.